there.
Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Green BMW, pit out.
Okay, here we go.
All right, buddy.
Blue Cadillac, pit out.
That's it. Drive it like you stole it, bud. Nice.
Gray Mustang, pit in. Porsche, pit out.
All right, here's my favorite part.
Yes, sir. Nice. That was good, man.
Blue Mustang, pit in. Gray BMW, pit out.
Well, what do you think?
I love it. I did the simulator to this. It was fun.
Oh yeah, did you?
Yeah.
Upstairs or at
Yeah,
home?
upstairs. Yeah.
Gray Mustang, pit out.
Rely on the lap record here in real life and on the simulator.
Oh yeah. The simulator I did 129. I'm not sure what the life record is.
Well, which car were you driving? That makes a big difference.
It's that little race car thing. The M.
Oh yeah, the Radical.
Yeah, the Radical. That's it. Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, the first time I was here was with the Cars and Coffee.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah,
great.
That was nice. Yeah.
What did you bring?
Oh, what I bring? I had my family with me, so I brought my Chevy Traverse.
Green BMW, pit in.
That was
You
fun,
gonna
man.
sign up for some of our driving events?
Yeah, that's what I want to do.
Great.
Blue Cadillac, pit in.
So how many of these ride-alongs can we do?
I
Can I
think
get-
it's just one.
Oh,
for
just
today.
one? Oh, okay. I wanted to try out the Cadillac as well, but I'll do that next time.
That Cadillac really will surprise you.